Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that firstly you have to tap on settings and then tap on general, and from here you have to tap on date and time, and if this toggle is off then you have to turn it on for set automatically, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you have to do is just simply sign out to your Apple ID. For that you have to open setting, tap on your Apple ID, and here you can see here is the sign out option. Just simply sign out your Apple ID and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then check whether the home has been fixed or not. And if that don't select this there, then what you have to do is just simply check your server setting. For that open setting, go to mobile Theta, scroll it on, you have to search for App Store, and if this toggle is off then you have to turn it on and then check whether home has been fixed or not. And if the problem select this there, then what you have to do is just simply restart your phone by pressing the combination of your keys to your device, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select this there, then what you have to do is just simply check Wi-Fi connection. For that you have to open settings, then scroll it on, then tap on Wi-Fi, and from here you have to turn off your Wi-Fi at least for the 5 or 10 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then connect to Wi-Fi connection, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then you have to reset network setting. For that open setting, scroll it on, tap on general, and you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then again tap on reset, and you have to tap on reset network setting, give your passcode, and then tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem is there, then what you have to do is just simply check for the iOS update. If any update available here, then you have to update this one. So after doing all these six, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.